It's my bed, my water bottle, and my phone. My bed. The wind. It's kind of cool lying here, feeling the wind and hearing the chickens and the birds and all the other things, whatever they are, making all the noises. Under this mosquito net. Cool. Check out the sky. Whoa! Oh, nice. It is a blustery day. My flip-flop just broke. Babs, I need new ones. And we're going to the market to get some vegetables. I thought I'd take you vegetables and fruits and stuff. Aloha! See, this is Kauai's local hangout. The market. Look at these. Eggs. I really like those. So, you have to hear about these eggs because these are proper healthy eggs.
Proper eggs.
Look.
From all kinds of heritage breeds, and they're running loose on our farm. We have actually a tea farm, and the birds are fed red wheat and oat mixture that we soak in pails for 2 days, and they get that twice a day. And aside from that, they help eat the slugs and the centipedes and the worms. They're a bit of a nuisance because they try to dig up my new tea start plants.
Yes, please. I would love a whole big box. Oh, and it's raining.
And they're nice and orange because they get a lot of greens too. Oh, they eat these other little nitrogen-fixing yellow, we call them peanuts, but it's like a clover, but it has a yellow flower.
Oh, wow.
And they just go and dehead them all. They just march along and just mow them down. So,
Wow.
yeah.
Cool, thank you.
Water tea is my main business.
Oh, okay.
You can.
That's where I'm gonna be. The sunset in Kauai.
Was your first Kauai sunset?
This time. We will do that again, I promise. Check it out down here. Yeah, coming.
You know the spot, Lucy.